Hey there everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, we are going to walk you through the process of how to import contacts to your Mailchimp campaign. But before we jump into the action, if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures, and we'll keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back. We appreciate you all for your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on this journey with all of you once again. Okay, importing your contacts to your Mailchimp offers several advantages for businesses and organizations looking to engage with their audience through email marketing and other campaigns. Okay, number one, it allows you to maintain a well-organized and segmented audience within Mailchimp because you can categorize contacts based on various criteria such as demographics, purchase history, or engagement level, making it easier to send targeted and relevant content. With an organized audience, you can send, of course, tailored messages to specific segments. It helps you deliver content that is more likely to resonate with your recipients, leading to higher engagement rates and better results, right? Importing contacts enables you to personalize your email campaigns. You can include recipients' names, customize content based on their interests, and create a more personalized experience, which tends to lead to higher open and click-through rates. And as you import contacts and collect data on their interactions with your emails, Mailchimp provides valuable insights and analytics. You can track open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and more, allowing you to refine your email marketing strategy over time. Because of this automation, it allows you to set up triggered emails based on specific actions or events. And of course, importing contacts is not limited to existing subscribers. You can use Mailchimp sign-up forms and integrations to continuously grow your email list by capturing new contacts from your website, social media, or other channels. Okay, so before we do that, go to Mailchimp.com and create your account if you don't have one. And once you successfully created your account, log in with your credentials. And once you are in, go to the interface and right click on the left part where it says audience. Click audience and add contacts. When you click contacts, you will be asked here you will be asked to import from another service or upload the file, copy and paste. Remember, importing contacts is a CSV or text file. So all I gotta do is drag and drop the file that you created, and once you drag and drop that on this interface, you will be likely to see this option here, continue to organize. Okay, it'll take some time. Right, continue to tag, and then continue to match. Okay, once you are sure all from this part that you have already checked the information, you click on finalize import and you can complete import. But once you are successful, that's how you import contacts in Mailchimp. It's important to note that while importing contacts to Mailchimp offers these advantages, it's also crucial to follow best practices and maintain clean and engaged email lists to achieve the best results and maintain a positive sender reputation. Additionally, always respect the privacy and preferences of your contacts and comply with relevant data protection laws because Mailchimp offers integrations with various third-party tools and platforms, allowing you to connect your email marketing efforts with other parts of your businesses such as e-commerce or CRMs and analytics. And if this video is helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.